and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Today I will prepare something really special because who doesn't love French fries? We need them on keto, but we cannot eat potatoes, so today we are going to cook zucchini fries, and I promise you that they are even yummier than the normal ones, so let's go to cook. To prepare this keto treat, you will need a couple of medium-sized zucchini, one egg, grated parmesan cheese, and I won't give you the exact quantity because you will easily see how much you will need. Finally, some powdered garlic. Let's start by preheating our oven at 225 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 450 Fahrenheit. As you can see, we have a sunny and warm day, so after cooking we will have a swim in a Swedish lake, so I hope you will join me. It's always a good idea to wash the zucchini before cutting the extremities, so they will not absorb any water. This kind of veggie is already very watery, and the secret to prepare delicious zucchini dishes, from zoodles to stuffed ones, is always to get rid of all the water you can, and that's why I'm using kitchen paper to put my vegetable sticks. To have a size that is not too big nor too small and that will remind you of French fries, I cut every zucchini in half and every half in 8 sticks, trying to make them all similar. But don't worry, because that's a very easy job. This recipe doesn't require any salt for 2 reasons. The first one is that we don't want our zucchini to release all their water, and this will happen if you add salt. And the second reason is that grated parmesan cheese is already salty enough. Now it's time to dry the sticks even better with more kitchen paper and to add some yumminess to our veggies by rolling them first in the egg, then into the parmesan cheese mixed with garlic powder.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club. We'll go all night. I see you.
It's also time to share with you the best tip of this recipe, that is to use always the same hand to dip the zucchini into the egg and the other hand to roll your sticks into the cheese. This is the only way that will allow you to keep your hands and your zucchini reasonably clean.
This moment is time to go home. Don't want this night to end.
If you're watching my video, you probably know that a ketogenic diet is a very low-carb and high-fat way of eating. But sometimes we forget that vegetables can be a big part of this lifestyle if you choose the right ones. An easy way to pick the most ketogenic side dishes is to choose just the green veggies that grow above ground. But if you are curious, here are the 10 considered more keto, and you are lucky because they are delicious too, and they are: number 1, cauliflower; 2, cabbage; 3, the famous avocado; 4, broccoli, they are delicious; 5, zucchini; 6, spinach grated with butter and cheese. 7. Asparagus, that if you didn't see, I prepare also an Hollandaise sauce that is amazing with asparagus. Number 8. Kale. Number 9. Green beans. And number 10. Brussels sprouts. As you can see, they are all green and they all grow above ground. As you can see, one oven tray is just perfect for 2 zucchini sticks. And now they are ready to go into the oven at 225 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 450 Fahrenheit, for between 25 and 30 minutes. Flipping the zucchini to the other side after 20 minutes baking.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go.
I really hope you liked today's recipe and will consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all for being here, for subscribing, for liking and for leaving a comment below. So, see you every Monday with a ketogenic video in English at 2 o'clock Italian time, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. See you next week!
In your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.